Artificial intelligence and lawyers. It's a very good tool which is available free of cost for exploring the practice opportunities. It's very important to note that AI cannot replace lawyers, courts, and judges. It can only facilitate. The risk which we people are running is to rely AI blindly. You should be very careful when you use AI, especially when it comes to litigation and court practice. For agreements, drafting, and correcting your English, AI is the best tool. But when it comes to litigation, you have to be extremely careful, especially when you are relying upon the citations. Don't just go and run the query and place in the court, because my experience is the citations are generally wrongly given, not suitable to your facts of the case. So be careful. But the future of lawyers and litigation is going to be very challenging with the use of AI. It is very much rewarding and also interesting to use the new age technology. So please use it, but with your expertise and full knowledge on the expected outcome, and also what to expect itself is a challenging thing. But my experience has been very good. I encourage junior as well as the senior lawyers to use AI to the best of your ability, but monitor the output, vet the contents, but you can't just rely upon it as a outsourcing entity. You have to get involved, you have to train AI, you have to get trained from the AI on a day-to-day basis. Then only you will be able to effectively use it. Thank you.